Hi guys, in the previous video you just got a brief introduction to shell variables. So in this video you will see how we can delete a shell variable that we created. Okay, before that, in the previous video I mentioned that if we create a variable like this, we cannot put spaces between words directly like this. So if we enter this, we will get an error because there's a space. Instead, I told you, if I say hello and then backslash space, that will allow us to provide that there's a space. Okay, it is executing without a error. Now we got the value. But the thing is, you can just use double quotes, and within double quotes you can type the value you wanted, including spaces. You don't have to explicitly say backslash and then space to mention there is a space. For example, I can say hello world within these double quotes. Okay. Now, as I told you, to delete the shell variable, we can use the command unset and the shell variable name. I can enter it is variable name. In my case, I created this first variable, so I can enter first. Now, if we check echo first, we got nothing because there's a no variable called first in our shell. Now, I'm going to unset my previous variable that I created called first name. Now, if we check echo and the first name, we got nothing. Okay. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.